something new. Shout-outs! For those who answer the questions in the video. And stay tuned for those who were right in the last video. Let's move on to the video now. Like the real, actually what we're gonna do. Okay, let's move on. Welcome to Daily Dose of Dallas. Oh, what's this box? Who is it to? Yes, it's for me. Hearts for me. Oh, by the Fairybag. Thank you so much, Fairybag. I love your things. Can't open this. There we go. Ooh, it's blue. Blue. Oh, look at this cute rainbow. Yes. You. It looks so fluffy. It looks so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Bye. No, I didn't tell you to go here. I told you to go there. Look at it. My baby. It's so fluffy. Here. So fluffy. Ooh, little bracelet. I knew that there was a bracelet in here because I had to peek. I'm sorry. But that's the only thing I saw, so I know it's expensive. Yeah, I love it. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Ooh, and then a purple ring. Fine. I almost dropped it there. Hello, fairy. We are born to kiss the stars and dance with the moon. The beautiful freshwater pearl and amethyst stone bracelet is exclusively from Fairyland. Ooh. Legend says that these gems can magically heal those who wear it. Keep the newborn baby keychain safe as you take her on your adventures. Wherever you go, what will you name her? I will answer that question when I finish reading this. The thermos has a stainless steel this one.
Interior. A thermal interior.
To keep your cocoa.
Hot chocolate.
Oh. I know it was that, but I'm like, wait, what? Tea, other fairy drink at your preferred temperature. Does your hair need a pickup? Welcome this gorgeous rhinestone. Step 8 in fairy bow to your collection. Yes, XOXO the fairy. Okay, I have no idea what I'm gonna name her.
Maybe you could ask your viewers.
Yeah, what do you think I could name her? Give me some suggestions.
Suggestions?
Yeah. And if I pick one of you guys, if I pick one of your suggestions, then you will be the one that getting the cat out. Other people too, but you will definitely be the cat out. And he's so fluffy. Nope, we're not gonna curve.